Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare BMW 3 Series versus Mazda 3. Let's dive into their performance and driving dynamics. The BMW 3 Series is renowned for its robust engine choices and a suspension designed for sporty handling, often featuring a rear-wheel drive setup. In contrast, the Mazda 3 delivers a very engaging and responsive drive, prioritizing efficiency, and typically comes with front-wheel drive. Both offer distinct driving philosophies. Moving inside, the BMW 3 Series typically presents a luxurious cabin with high-end materials and sophisticated infotainment. The Mazda 3, however, counters with a surprisingly upscale and refined interior, featuring user-friendly technology and comfortable seating for its class. Both brands prioritize safety, equipping their vehicles with a range of essential features and helpful driver assistance systems for peace of mind. When considering value and cost, the BMW 3 Series usually comes with a higher initial purchase price and potentially greater maintenance expenses. The Mazda 3, on the other hand, provides exceptional value, boasting a more accessible entry price and a strong reputation for reliability. While resale values fluctuate, both models tend to hold their appeal in the used car market. So which car is better for you? If you prioritize luxury, high-performance engines, and a truly premium driving experience, the BMW 3 Series is likely your ideal choice. However, if you're looking for outstanding value, proven reliability, and an engaging yet practical everyday drive, the Mazda 3 stands out. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Your perfect car depends on your personal priorities and budget.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.